everyone, just thought I would pop on and do a quick unboxing. I got a box from a cherry on top, but I also finally got me a new cutter. I have had this guy since I think my oldest was like 5, and he's almost 19 now. I think it was time for a new cutter. So I went ahead and got this one. It says it's got a lifetime guarantee. I'm hoping that this, because it's metal, won't warp kind of like the other one did. So I'm looking forward to using this one. Have any of y'all used this one? What do y'all think about it? Let me know, please. And of course, I took my address and stuff off of here. But this is the second order in probably 2 months. I didn't get a ton, but I did get a little bit of quite a few different things. There's no paper in this one, actually. But they had a sale going on, and I got some the crafty tacky glue from Tonic Studios. I got a couple of those. I like the fine tips on those. And then this one, I like how it's made to where it can just sit down like that. But it's the Turbo Tacky Glue from Aleene's. And so I went ahead and grabbed that. Got some, I have been looking for this. There is a YouTuber that I love to watch. Let me make sure. Prairie Paper. I'm trying to make sure that I get her name correct. Let me make sure to get this pulled up. Her name is Amy R, but it's I'm trying to make sure I find her so that I give the correct name. Prairie Paper and Ink. She's awesome. I love watching her videos. But she used some of this on a card a while back, and nowhere local had it. So checked a cherry on top, and they did. So went ahead and grabbed some of that. And some distressed oxides that I didn't have, and some that I did. Black soot, I use it a lot. Prize ribbon, faded jeans, aged mahogany. I thought this one would be handy with Christmas and Christmas cards, and that way I didn't have to necessarily use black all the time to darken some things up. I figured aged mahogany would work well on some of the reds. And then wild honey is one that I did not have. And of course I'm going to keep all the bags because they're awesome. I always find something to stick them in. And a cherry on top does amazing on their packaging. Not only, I cut this all open before I started videoing this, but it's all taped to a piece of chipboard so that it is not falling, you know, flying around the box and stuff while it's in transit. So to me, it's kind of awesome. Didn't have to worry about any of it. There was also paper in there to stop the smaller bags from throwing things around. So got 2 rolls of the 1/8" 60-yard cherry tape. This stuff is awesome as well. And got Lawn Fawn's the Possum Birthday stamp and die. Just the little ones. I like that it has the little die for the actual music note, and then it says, I forgot your, and it's, you can do birthday. You have a possum birthday, dog on it, yippee, rough. They're really cute. Did not get the die for this, don't know why. But it's not going to be hard to cut out, so it's not a really big deal. But they're just cute, and it'll work for this winter. Went ahead and got that. The circles are just adorable. I just thought it was really pretty. May Your Christmas Sparkle. That'll be fun to play with. Some Pinkfresh Studio stamps where you can put the little deer and the fox in the sleigh, and there's a little bird. Sweet little sayings. I like the little packages as well. They're cute. This Timeless Road 3D embossing folder from Crafter's Companion. It should be fun. I want to try some things with it. So that one should be fun to play with as well. The Pinkfresh Studio, what are these? I know they're the layering stencils. Oh, Beyond Measures from Pinkfresh Studio. They're the layering stencils. I didn't get the stamp or the die, but I got the stencils. Got these Lawn Fawn ones as well. I love these little wolves. They're just adorable. So went ahead and got the little set and the little dies that go with it, just for some cute little cards. The Crafters Workshop's Slimline stencil. Thought it was pretty too. Waffle flowers leaves, especially this time of year. I mean, I'll probably use them more than just this time of year, obviously. But I love leaves, and they can always be added to something. And then the last thing is this penguin by Sizzix. It's just cute. A little squishy penguin down there. And got the little coordinating dies with it. So thought it'd be cute for Christmas. So there is my little crafty haul for now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.